So I wanted to give a quick review over a campground we recently visited in Anderson, South Carolina. It's a KOA Holiday. Now it can be a little confusing because there are two campgrounds on Lake Hartwell in North Georgia and right over the line in South Carolina. This was not the lakeside campground with lakeside campsites. This is the KOA Holiday that's located in Anderson, South Carolina. I would say it's a medium-sized campground. Almost all of the sites do have full hookups, but they do have some without, and they do have a few tent sites as well. But we enjoyed it, and it's a beautiful campground, we thought. And the main reason we were in this area is because my two daughters were invited to participate in a wedding for my wife's cousin, and it was a beautiful wedding. We really enjoyed it. The food was great. The scenery was awesome. It was at a local country club in Hartwell, Georgia called Cateechee. And my daughters definitely felt like grown-ups for the weekend. And, of course, there was dancing at the reception, and the food was great. And it was great to get to see all of my wife's family come together. But it was a good time. And of course, after dancing on Saturday and enjoying the wedding, we headed back to the KOA. They do have a fully stocked general store. They have a fairly large pool near the front of the campground. It was closed when we were there, but we'll hit it next time. They had a full laundry facility up at the ranger station. They had a pretty neat looking mini golf course that we'll have to check out on our next visit as well. It had a full 18 holes and looked like it would be fun, especially for the kids. They did have bundles of firewood for sale as well. And even though most of the sites have full hookups, they do have a dump station there for anybody that needs it. They had a covered pavilion that I imagine large groups can rent out. And although we didn't use them because of the full hookups, the bathrooms were immaculate, I will tell you that. They also had a large playground. Some of the equipment had some age on it, but it all seemed very safe. My daughters certainly enjoyed it. And they had a large jump pad there as well at the playground area, as well as a basketball court. And they had some cornhole set up and some other activities. The sites were pretty spacious for the most part. Most had a fire ring and a picnic table. They do have some cabins for rent. You can check out different floor plans on their website that I'll put in the description. And some of the sites had these large patios built on that you can ask for one of those sites when you reserve. I wish our site had one for sure. And I will tell you, if you're there in the fall, you should definitely be prepared to be surrounded by Clemson football fans because almost everyone there was camping there because of the close proximity to the game that weekend. But I highly recommend the campground, and we plan on visiting again in warmer weather so we can enjoy the pool. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.